everybody, my name is Calista Sue. If you guys have never seen my face before, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe. Today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my favorite fall drinks. The first drink I'm very excited for, this is a salted pumpkin latte. Without further ado, let's get into the first drink. The base coffee that I'm going to be using is just a Starbucks pumpkin spice coffee. You guys can really use whatever you guys want for this. You guys can use espresso. I have the Ninja coffee brewer. I wish I had an espresso machine. Hopefully we'll be getting one soon. The foam is made with half and half salt, pumpkin pie spice, and a little bit of vanilla. And it's absolutely delicious. So let's just get into making it.
First, you're just going to be adding in your half and half, and then this is the vanilla syrup I use. You can get it off of Amazon, and I'm only going to be pumping a little bit because I don't like it too sweet. And then you're going to add some pumpkin pie spice to get all the fall feels, and then just a little bit of sea salt, not too much. No one likes salty coffee. Now let's take it to the frother. And then you're going to be pouring it over, so satisfying. And then add a little bit of caramel drizzle and some cinnamon to top it off.
Clearly I'm in a different outfit now, different day, because I'm filming on a different day, so that explains why I'm in a different outfit. I am so excited to show you guys this next drink. It is one of my favorites, and it is inspired by Morgan Drinks Coffee. I found it on her TikTok, and I just had to share it with you guys because it's a personal favorite of mine and it's a personal favorite of a lot of my friends. The drink that we are going to be making today is a honey vanilla latte. And I used to be super skeptical of like putting honey in coffee. I just felt like honey is meant for tea. Maybe I'm the only person who thought that way, but I kid you not, it is so good. So without further ado, let's just get right into making it. The ingredients that you guys are going to need for this coffee is coffee, obviously. I'm just using the Starbucks Miranda blend just because I like the taste of this coffee. You guys can use really any coffee you guys want. You guys already know that. Honey, vanilla, and then cinnamon.
The very first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be adding in your honey. And then pump in some vanilla. Oh, there's me. We're going to be adding in our cinnamon to our previously brewed coffee. Pour it right over your cup. And then add in some milk. And then give that a nice good stir. Now I'm just adding in my ice cubes. And then put in a straw and enjoy.
I thought you were recording and you pressed record.
I just got home from basketball, so
I had a scrimmage. Oh, no. Stand behind me.
no, I don't want to.
I was supposed to knock you over.
No, you
That was my
can't knock me over
booty.
with that. Flat butt.
Put a beep over it.
Yes. The ingredients that you guys are going to need for this coffee is brown sugar, cinnamon, coffee, obviously, milk, obviously, and you can either have vanilla or vanilla extract. So without further ado, let's just get straight into making it.
I'm just adding in my brown sugar, and then I'm pumping my vanilla syrup. And then I'm making sure I give it a nice good stir. And then I'm just pouring over my coffee. Adding in cinnamon. I add a lot of cinnamon. And now I'm just giving that a nice good mix. Mix. Oh, and then I spilt my milk that I was supposed to pour into my coffee, but now I'm just pouring it over. Make sure you clean up your mess. Add in your ice cubes, and then stick in your straw and enjoy.